second chapter, acids, bases, and salts. Agree? Now we are discussing what are acids. What is the meaning of acid? Acids. If you know, you can tell me. You studied in 7th standard. What are acids? What are its properties? Anyone? Anyone, if you know, you can tell. Ask. Don't know? Hello? See here, acids are nothing but the substances when dissolved in water, they give H plus ions, hydrogen ions. Okay, that those are called acids. The substances when dissolved in water, the substances when dissolved in water, it gives hydrogen ions. That is nothing but a capital H plus ions. Okay. Then we say that acids. The substances when dissolved in water, it gives hydrogen ions. It liberates hydrogen ions. Those are called acids. Example, in day-to-day life, we are using lemon. Yes or no? Lemon.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Orange we are using. Orange we are using.
Yes,
Orange
sir.
fruit.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Tamarind we are using. Tamarind. Vinegar we are using. Vinegar. Yes or no? See here. Example. Lemon contains citric acid. Lemon contains citric acid. Sir, you told H plus ions, but you are adding citric acid. Okay, na? Hydrochloric acid. Write down hydrochloric acid. Which acid? Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. I am talking about the examples of acids. Citric acid, hydrochloric acid, denoted HCl. Okay. Next, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid denoted as H2SO4, H2SO4, comma, nitric acid, nitric acid, nitric acid, nitric acid, HNO3, HNO3, acetic acid, acetic acid, acetic acid, CH3COOH, CH3COOH, oxalic acid, oxalic acid, oxalic acid, methanoic acid, formic acid, methanoic and formic or formic, lactic acid, lactic acid, lactic acid, written. Okay, these all are examples. Write any two examples. Definition with any two examples. Okay, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acids are nothing but other substances when dissolved in water, it gives hydrogen ions or H plus ions. We call it as acids. Okay. Now, citric acid, hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, or acetic acid CH3COOH, oxalic acid, okay, present in tomato, lactic acid, milk is converted into curd, it taste changes, okay. These are the examples. Written on?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Written.
Written, sir.
Written, all of you written? All 30 members written. Reply me fast. Only three
Yes,
are
sir.
Yes, sir.
only three are answering.
Sir, written,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Written,
All
sir.
30 students are there. I am hearing last 2 weeks only three to four girls wise only. What about others?
Written, sir.
Okay, very,
Return,
very good. So this one I pick. Now here only out of these means these examples, I have classified as strong acid and weak acid. Are you getting? Strong acid and weak acid we have to classify depending upon hydrogen concentration. Depending upon hydrogen, how many hydrogen ions it gives. Okay, now. So I write up this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now write down strong acids. Strong acids used in laboratory. Strong acids. Give any two example for strong acid if he or she may ask. You can write hydrochloric acid, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, etc. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Next write down weak acids. Weak acids. Weak acids. Weak acids. Example for weak acids are write down CH3COOH, CH3COOH, comma CH3COOH, comma CH3COOH, comma written lactic acid, lactic acid, lactic acid, oxalic acid, etc. Lactic acid, oxalic acid, etc. Strong acid means hydrogen. Here two atoms of hydrogen. Here one atom of hydrogen. Okay, now. But compared to these two, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid, HNO3 is more stronger. It is more stronger than these two, HNO3. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. Return. Next, we are talking about concentration of acid. Write down concentrated acid in laboratory. We mentioned here. Okay. In laboratory, in bottle only. acid containing bottle only he mentioned. Acid containing bottle only he mentioned. DIL symbol is Cl. DIL dilute HCl. For example, I am taking dilute HCl means it is hydrochloric acid is dissolved in water, not more stronger compared to concentrated Cl. DIL means dilute or diluted. Are you getting? Next, write down concentrated. Next, there only will be concentrated. It's looking to you. Concentrated. This can be written as CONC dot HCl. Find the difference here. Find the difference. Dilute means dissolved in water, maximum means small quantity of acid, more quantity of water. Here, more quantity of acid, small quantity of water. Concentrated means strong. Diluted means dissolved. DIL stands for diluted. Okay? You have to identify one more here. One more bottle is like that. Okay. Here you have mentioned CONC, concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4. Here diluted H2SO4. Which one is more stronger? This is the option 1. This is 2. Which one is more stronger?
Concentrated, sir. Option 1.
Very good.
Concentrated, sir.
CONC dot. CONC dot he was mentioned. You should observe this is more stronger than diluted. Okay, na? Are you getting? Write down. Symbol you write down. Dilute. DIL dot HCl, DIL dot HNO3, DIL dot H2SO4. Either it should be diluted HCl, diluted sulfuric acid, diluted nitric acid, etc. Here, concentrated hydrochloric acid, concentrated H2SO4, concentrated HNO3. Okay, na? Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Write down. Sir, what is
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I have this one. Write it here only. See here, very important. Don't think, sir, these are not important. Your writing is very important. Huh? Don't think it. Don't read this only. Okay, na? Means you concentrate more. See here, concentrated. You remember concentrated acid. Concentrated acids. Concentrated acid. Concentrated acid. Concentrated acid. Concentrated. Having means having more amount of water. Sorry, having more amount of acid, more amount of acid. Acid should be 75%, 25% of water we are using. Okay, na? Okay. Having more amount of acid plus less amount of water. Less amount of water. Less amount of water. Written.
Yes, sir. Written, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, diluted acid is nothing but make it underline. Next, dilute acid or diluted acid. Okay, na? Diluted acid means having more amount of water, more amount of water plus less amount of acid. Are you getting? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
If we are taking more amount of water, adding only 25% of acid drops to it when it becomes dissolved. Okay, after we said that is a diluted acid. Acid becomes dilute. Okay, na? Yes. Any doubts?
No,
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
no doubt, sir.
Okay, boys,
Understood, sir.
boys, boys are there or not?
Understood, sir.
Hello.
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, now these are the basic you start already studied in 7th class. It is there, acid chapter is there. Okay, now shall I have this one?
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving to discuss very important properties of acids. Sir, what are the properties of acids? Properties of acid. Properties of properties of acids. Properties of acids. Make it underline with me. Observe. Make it underline. Properties of acid. First property. Okay. You already well known. They are sour to taste. Means acids are. They are sour. S-O-U-R. Sour to taste. Sour to taste. Okay, na? They are so to taste. Second one, they convert blue litmus into red litmus. If you take a litmus paper, take a lemon to test it is acid, it containing acid or not. We have to. Huh? Hello, Pim. Okay, now see here, they are so to taste. Next example, they convert blue litmus paper into apa they turn okay na they turns into turns. Are you reading? They convert or they turn blue litmus paper into red litmus. Red. Blue litmus means blue color litmus. Okay. Red color litmus paper. Are you reading?
Yes, sir.
Blue color litmus paper into red color litmus paper. Okay, na? First point, second one, third one, corrosive in nature, corrosive in nature. Corrosive in nature. Written?
Yes, sir.
They give, they give which ions?
Hydrogen ions.
Very good. They give hydrogen. H plus in aqueous solution.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Why is this breaking? You are facing problem with my voice. It's not audible to you.
Now it is.
Hello. Just a minute. Just a minute. I will go to the- Now okay. Now okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Properties of acid. They are so to taste. They convert or they turn blue color litmus paper into red color litmus paper. Third point, corrosive in nature. Fourth point, they give H plus ions in aqueous solution. Okay, na? Okay. Now, last one, write an example. Last one, write examples. Acetic acid, citric acid, oxalic acid, methanoic acid. Are you getting? Now we have. Okay, shall I write this one? Fast.
Yes, sir.
Fifth one, you should write examples also. That is also exam properties. What type of examples you are giving? Shall I write this one? Okay. Now, very important.
Yes, sir.
Wait, wait. Okay, see it. Acid, bases, and salts we have discussed in this chapter. Acids we have discussed. Okay, now properties we are discussed. Which one is concentrated acid? Which one is diluted acid? We have discussed in that chapter. Any doubts regarding these properties? Huh?
No, sir.
No.
Okay, shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In day-to-day life, what are the fruits or other substances containing acids in our home or day-to-day life we are using? First one, we write substance.
Lemon, sir.
Huh?
Lemon.
Very good.
Orange
Substance.
fruit.
Very good. Very good. Substance. Shall we write substance of fruits? Substance. Don't
Yes, sir.
write. Okay, just we should write. We should write first one. Just write down. Lemon. Fruit name or lemon. Lemon containing citric acid.
Orange fruit, sir.
Lemon and orange. Okay, these two are containing citric acid. Okay, now agree? Lemon, orange containing citric acid. Next, tamarind. Tamarind. What is meant by tamarind?
Hunace, sir.
ಹುಣಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣು tartaric acid present in it. tartaric acid present in it. Tomato containing oxalic acid, which acid? Oxalic acid. Okay na? And stringe and string is there or sting? Anyone have book, textbook?
Sir.
No? Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. We have, sir, textbooks.
Just check of it. And sting. String or sting? And sting only. Okay. And sting. Methanoic acid. Which acid?
Sir, vinegar.
Methanoic acid. Yes, tell me.
Vinegar.
Yes, you check this one. Okay, is it correct? STING. Okay, na? When ant bites, it releases small amount of methanoic acid. That's why irritating takes place. Yes or no, P? Small amount of ant sting. When it bites, it releases methanoic acid or formic acid. Okay, na? Next. You check it. Is it correct? Faster.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fifth one, vinegar. Where we are using vinegar? Vinegar. Which acid is there? Acetic acid? Vinegar. Vinegar containing which acid? Acetic acid?
Yes, sir.
Acetic acid. Vinegar containing acetic acid. Etc. Written.
Yes, sir.
Boys.
Written, sir.
Boys. What about boys?
Yes, sir. Written, sir.
All of you written okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. Very good. Write down neatly, okay? In day-to-day life, lemon and orange we are using because it containing citric acid. Tamarind we are using. Tamarind and ಯಾವುದು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಹುಣಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Lemon and orange. Next tamarind is nothing but it contains tartaric acid. Tomato. Oxalic acid and skin. ಮೆಥೆನಾಯಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಇರುಬೆ ಅಥವಾ ಜೇನುನೊಣ ಕಡಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ನಮಗ ಇರಿಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ತುರಿಕೆ ಉಂಟಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಲೀಸಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಇನ್ when it bites. Okay na? Now vinegar containing acetic acid. Okay, this is about today's class. Shall I move to bases? Shall I answer? Now write
Yes,
down
sir.
bases. 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 Write down. When the substances When dissolved in water, when the substances when dissolved in water, the substances when dissolved in water, it gives OH minus ion. It gives hydroxyl. Very, very important, hydroxyl ion. Hydroxyl, hydrogen and oxygen. To give the hydroxyl ion, OH minus ions. OH minus hydroxyl ions. Then they are called OH minus hydroxyl ions are called bases. Are called bases. Example. Example. NaOH, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, comma, potassium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, KOH, capital T, capital O, capital H, KOH, magnesium hydroxide, aluminium hydroxide. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
MgOH twice, magnesium hydroxide, magnesium. अभी डबल है सर, magnesium.
No, sir. Single.
Magnesium. Magnesium hydroxide. MgOH twice, Mg square bracket you should take here. MgOH twice, square bracket you should take here. MgOH twice. MgOH twice. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. Aluminium hydroxide अथवा aluminium trioxide. Aluminium trioxide. This is also example for. Okay, right away. MgOH twice, aluminium AlOH twice. This is the one example. This is the one more example. Okay, these are the examples for bases. Written.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will end the class. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Tomorrow we will discuss properties of bases. Okay, now what are weak bases? Weak bases means we will discuss later. Basicity, acidity. Okay, now properties we
Yes,
have to
sir.
discuss tomorrow. If we have doubts today, you can ask.
Side, sir.
Okay. Magnesium hydroxide is there, MgOH twice. Aluminium trioxide, OH means OH 3. Here OH having 2. Hydroxyl, 2 atoms. OH, 3 atoms. Are you getting? This means oxygen having 2 atoms, hydrogen having also 2 atoms. Together we got a OH twice. Here we are using OH thrice. Means oxygen having 3 atoms, hydrogen having 3 atoms. So OH thrice or thrice. Twice, thrice. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Shall I rub this one?
Yes, sir.